How to schedule a Zoom meeting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So today, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Zoom application just to make sure you have an updated version of the Zoom application. So here you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Zoom application. So tap on open. As you tap on open, it will land us to the Zoom application itself. So make sure you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, if you want to schedule a Zoom meeting, you can just tap on schedule over here. So here you can just make a topic about it, maybe team discussion, and then you can select the date over here. You can select the time as well over here, from where to when, and then you can select the time zone. You can set the reminder for repeat or never. You can tap on attendees and select the people over here, and as you do that, you can share your meeting code as well, and then you can customize all these settings over here. As you do that, tap on done and then tap on save and give that access over here. And here you have scheduled this Zoom meeting, so you can just tap on invite and start inviting other attendees over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.